Hello everyone, my introduction is my Emilia Juta Ramadanti from second level D. Here I will describe my idol, namely the female indoor volleyball athlete, Wilda Siti Nurfadila Sugandi. She is quite a tall athlete. Her skin is olive, her dead are wearing beige. She is failed and I like wearing unique shoes. Maybe that's all I can describe about my idol. Thank you for watching. Hello, here I will describe the environment or condition around my house. My house is in the countryside. The air is still fresh. There are lots of trees. On the edge of my house, there are rich fields. There are lots of trees whose fruit can be eaten, such as mango, coconuts, or